What is up, everybody? Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Honest Diecast. Today, I got a care package from my good friend BERTIES WHEEls, aka Alex. Always sending me super cool, super good stuff from the UK. Mainly short cards. I'm a huge short card fanatic, and we just really don't get them here in Arizona. And in the US in general, it's pretty sparse as far as short cards go. Limited stores, limited quantity. They're never a normal thing to just run into. So I got the package. You can see all the customs info and stuff. Deleted all the pertinent information. So I'm gonna move the box off the table and I'm gonna open it on the side, and then we'll start pulling stuff out. So let's do this. Just want to give a quick shout out to Alex for doing an absolutely impeccable pack job on this thing. This is probably the thickest cardboard box I think I've ever held in my life. So thank you, buddy. I appreciate you. Looks like it's like one single massively thick ply and then kind of like a standard ply on the inside. But regardless, this box is impressively robust. So just a little history on BERTIES Wheels and I. We basically pen pals between US and UK. I'll send him some real riders and some store exclusives like Target Reds and Walmart Zamax, and in exchange he just gives me short cards because that's all I want. Like I said, absolutely love short cards. I don't know what it is. I don't know what the allure is about them, but I could have a billion long cards of one casting and I just want short cards of that casting. It's really hard to explain, but I'm sure there's a lot of you out there that feel that way. Comment down below and tell me your coolest short card that you have in your collection. Right here. Let's see, opening up the first bundle. Oh yeah, baby. Alrighty, wow, look at that. Short card Big Air Bel Air. Alex knows that I'm very keen on the gassers, so he tries to pick them up for me. And there's also a 64 Nova Wagon gasser with the Southwest Gassers Association deco on the side. This is by far my favorite 64 Nova Wagon gasser, for sure. So awesome start. Friggin' sweet. And of course, what would I be not asking Alex to pick up some Datsun 510 wagon short cards? Absolutely fantastic. All in really, really great shape. So 3 of those, absolutely spectacular. Oh yeah. I see some Toyota goodness in the next one. Just gonna keep it off of camera. Let the anticipation build. Oh, heck yeah. Heck yeah, baby. Alrighty, next in line, he was kind enough to send me 2 of the 2010 Toyota Tundra trucks. Just found one of these on camera not too long ago. Long card, of course. Man, so much cooler in a short card. I don't care what anybody says, so much cooler. This truck is from K-Case and carries over to L. So I actually found one of these in a K-Case dump bin along with the Zamax that we just posted. And I know that some of you might be a little more hip on the short cards and the international cards. If you know properly how to distinguish the international cards and the short cards up here, if there's any certain way to do it, please comment down below and educate all of us, because I'm not sure on how to do that. I'm only familiar with the US case since it's different from everybody else. So friggin' awesome. Like I said, not a massive truck collector, but this is absolutely one of my favorites that I've ever come across. This and the Cyclone, the Dodge Power Wagon is one of them too. Super stoked, so cool. And keeping it with the theme, next up, also from the Tokyo Olympics, the 2020 Olympics, that never happened, or never will happen, at least not this year. Toyota 2000 GT, absolutely fantastic casting. I'm so friggin' happy that they brought this casting back. And I think that this is coming out in a premium set later this year, so we'll see. We'll see if it returns back to premiums as well. Absolutely fantastic. And this was thrown in that same bundle, so pretty sweet. The H-Case Basic Treasure Hunt, the 2013 Chevy Camaro. Absolutely one of my favorite treasure hunts ever. They usually come out in fantasy castings, but every once in a while they'll come out in a real licensed car casting, and that just makes them definitely more appealing to pick up. So pretty awesome. And I think I mentioned this on a previous episode, but as you can see, there's the Basic Treasure Hunt logo. On the international cards and the short cards, there's no congratulations writing, no 25th anniversary thing, nothing, just the logo. That's all you get. So, very sweet. Working on the next bundle. Yeah. Alrighty, and next up, Alex knows that I am a complete sucker for the McLaren P1. Absolutely one of my favorite castings. Had to have this in a short card, so he went ahead and picked up a couple of these for me. Really looking forward to that end case, that dark gray, kind of a battleship gray recolor of this casting. Absolutely looking forward to that. End case is going to be absolutely loaded. Just like J case was, which is what this is from. This actually started off in H and then carried over to J. Also in this bundle, Alex is kind enough to send me another of the 2013 Camaro treasure hunts. Absolutely sweet. Definitely don't mind having a couple of these whatsoever. And then also the 90 Acura NSX from H&J case. Very sweet. Definitely super happy to see this casting back as well. Absolutely love the deco. I love the red with the green R on the hood. So got quite a few of these for customs and for collection in the long card, and now I have some short cards thanks to Mr. Birdie. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And last but definitely not least, oh sweet. So two more Datsuns, another one of the 510 wagons from this year's H&J case, and then the 510 coupe from last year. I can't remember which case this is from. I want to say that might be from K or L case, maybe? Maybe it happened later in the year, I'm not sure. But super, super cool to have that. So, very stoked. Card's a little bent on it, but no big deal. Not even tripping. And then last but definitely not least, the 2019 Corvette ZR1 convertible. Absolutely amazing. Super stoked to have this in a short card. Got a couple of these already. I'm really hoping they come out with a hardtop version of this. I think that'd be really sweet. But regardless, I love the color. I love the front bumper, the front splitter. This car is absolutely gorgeous, and it's in a short card, which makes it absolutely amazing. So there's a summary of our mail call today, our care package. Absolutely phenomenal. Alex, thank you so much, bud. I get so happy and so stoked seeing these things show up. You have no idea. Postage time takes quite a bit, so when we send each other packages, we're often left, waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting in anticipation, but overall we're both extremely happy with what we've sent each other, and it's an awesome thing to have over the pond pen pals. So Alex, thanks again. If any of you guys want to check out some awesome UK peg hunts, definitely check out Bertie's Wheels. I'll leave a link in the description below. Looking forward to getting the next one. I'm also looking forward to sending his package out next as well. I think it's going to be a killer. So hopefully enjoys everything. But thank you all for tuning in. Appreciate your support, appreciate the love. We'll see you next time.